Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Rat's Kingdom. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is already installed and properly set up in your browser. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection process. We'll then walk through configuring the correct network within MetaMask, which is essential for interacting with the game. Finally, we'll cover the direct connection from the Rat's Kingdom platform. Rat's Kingdom operates on the Polygon blockchain, so you need to add this network to MetaMask. Open your MetaMask wallet and navigate to the Network Selection dropdown. Choose Add Network and manually enter the Polygon mainnet details. This includes the network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. Saving these details will enable your wallet to interact with the Polygon network. Before connecting, it's wise to add the Rat's Kingdom token known as RK to your MetaMask. You'll need the official RK token contract address, usually found on the Rat's Kingdom website or official Telegram channel. In MetaMask, select Import Tokens, then Custom Token. Paste the contract address and the token symbol and decimals should auto-fill. Confirm to add RK, making your tokens visible once claimed or received. Now head to the Rat's Kingdom website or the official Telegram bot. Look for a Connect Wallet button, typically in the upper right corner. Click it and choose MetaMask from the options presented. A prompt will appear in MetaMask asking for your approval to connect. Confirm this, and your wallet should link. Remember, you'll need some Polygon tokens for transaction fees when claiming or interacting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.